Today we're going to be looking at fact and opinion. Down here at the bottom I gave you a little picture to help you remember what fact and opinion means. Fact is something that you can learn from a book, from a website, something that is true. So anything that you can learn that's a true statement, that's a fact. Over here by opinion I have a little face that he's looking like he's thinking or he's questioning. An opinion is something that you think or something that someone else thinks. It cannot be proven through a book, through a website, through someone else. So, fact is something that is definitely true. Opinion is something that you think or feel. So, you're going to have to read the sentences in the white box, and then you're going to have to decide, is that sentence a fact or an opinion? So, if I read this first one, it says, "Not all birds can fly." What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my check mark and I'm going to click and drag it to which one I think. Is that a fact? Can I learn that from a book? Or is it someone's opinion, somebody thinking something? And I know that that is a fact because I know penguins can't fly and penguins are birds. So that would be fact. Then all you have to do is go on the left and click on the rest of the slides to complete this Google Classroom. And your last one is about rainbows. So when you're done with that one, please turn it in.